Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing well, students. Today we are going to study about simple present tense. In tenses there are three persons: first, second, and third person. I and we is the first person, and I represent the singular first person. We represents the plural first person. Second person you and you, we use you for both singular and plural second person. In third person, they is the plural third person, and he, she, and it represents a singular third person. In singular third person, we use s with the verb. Rules: in simple present tense, we use first form of verb with subject. In case of third person singular, we use s and es with the first form of verb. In plural form, we use first form of verb with the subject. For example, child plays. Here child is singular and child is third person. That's why we use here s with the plays. Child plays. And children play, because children is the plural. That's why we are using here play instead of plays. When we make negative and interrogative sentences, we use do and does. We use do with I, we, you, and they. We use does with he, she, and it. For example, in affirmative, we take the examples of the affirmative sentences. Here, I write in English, we write in English, you write in English, they write in English, he writes in English, she writes in English, it writes in English. In he, she, and it, we can see that here we are using s because these are the third person and singular. In negative sentences, I don't write in English. I don't or do not write in English. We don't write in English. You don't write in English. They don't write in English. He does not or he doesn't write in English. She doesn't write in English. It doesn't write in English. When we use does, we don't use s or es with the verb. In interrogative sentences, do I write in English? Do we write in English? Do you write in English? Do they write in English? Does he write in English? Does she write in English? Does it write in English? Let's practice. Kate likes to eat an ice cream. Change into interrogative. Does Kate like to eat an ice cream? Number 2, we go to the zoo every Sunday. Change into negative. We don't go to the zoo every Sunday. I don't play computer games. Change into affirmative. I play computer games. My brother does not speak English well. Change into interrogative. Does my brother speak English well? You like to draw dolls. Change into negative. You don't like to draw dolls. They don't understand this rule. Change into interrogative. Do they understand this rule? Now after this video, students, you will complete your worksheet number 15 of simple present tense.